Hi, welcome back. Here I am in nature, my favorite space, besides the spaces I create. I am here with my dog Marina, and we are taking a nature walk, just enjoying the beautiful God's creation. I always say God is the best designer between the colors and the textures and the nature and the sacred geometry. I try and create that in my homes, in my spaces. At this time when there's so much diversity and divide and just a lot of heaviness, being in nature, bringing that nature into our space creates better food cooking, helps us relax in our bathrooms, and I think outside the box. I create that design for you with nature in mind and calmness and thinking about what's important to you. So just a little reminder, and have a great day and try and get out in nature. And if you can't, let me design your space so that we can have you in nature, or at least as close as we can get. Thanks again. Bye-bye.